Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a very compact tripod specially for content creator. I'm purchasing this product from the Temu. Link is available on video description. Look at this here, the price and exact product look like this. So now we will do unboxing, which types of product I am receiving and what exactly look like. So let's check it out. Now I just simply cut the box. The box come from China, so that's why little disturb the box. But apart from that, look at this here inside the box. Now box is empty. For the table recording perspective, this tripod is very important, or you making some video. So I just simply, this is the product, entire product. Entire accessories is here. Its quality you can fix here like this, and second thing you should fix here like this. So make sure you fix here properly, and after that, yeah, the quality is really nice. Now we will fix here as well. So the tripod look like this. Now you can fix here this one, so you can adjust like this, but I just so highest portion like this. Now here you can do like this. Now here, and after that you can fix this grip here. This is very lightweight, compact, and important point come here. You should fix here DSLR, or if you want fix here in the camera or iPhone, so you should use this one. Now if you want record something, so if you want record like this here, the photo related content or unboxing, next time I just simply, so if you're doing the unboxing or any other content, so you can very easily record the video, very good quality and exact position, which position you want fix your smartphone accordingly you should fix. And after that you can remove all the product accessories and record the video very professional way. This is the simple unboxing, as well as you just consider the review, and apart from that you can use this tripod like in my greater than my height. That one is really nice product. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.